Welcome to Greenville Technical College's School of Advanced Manufacturing and Transportation Technology, where we empower students to succeed in manufacturing, automotive, aviation, and other high-demand industries.
We're growing, and we're trying our best to meet a very high demand for us to workforce. And for every 4 people that is retiring out of the industry, there's only 1 person that's actually going into it. And so that's good for our students who are currently in our program, but it's good to put that word out there to let other individuals know who are in the industry, who want to change careers or seek a new careers, that there's some opportunities out there. We have several programs in this school. We have our aircraft maintenance program, our welding program, HVAC, industrial electricity, automotive, auto body, diesel. And here at CMI, we have mechatronics. We also have machine tools, CNC, and our advanced manufacturing program, where our students can earn a 4-year degree in that program.
In our auto body repair and automotive technology programs, students gain hands-on experience in diagnosing, repairing, and maintaining vehicles. From collision repair to engine diagnostics, our students become skilled automotive technicians ready to meet the industry's demands.
Automotive body repair students can earn a 1-year certificate, a 2-year certificate, or a 2-year associate's degree in science technology. Now is a great time for a student to be able to enter the program, learn what they need to do, and make a significant income.
When you are actually under the car taking measurements or doing the welding like we're doing now, or even doing a paint job, it's a whole different experience.
The industrial world relies on electrical power to run its operations, and through our industrial electricity program, students become trained experts on electrical systems. They learn how to troubleshoot, repair, and maintain electrical equipment in a variety of settings.
The industrial electricity program lasts a whole year. They're broken up into 3 semesters, 2 classes per semester. There's a certificate for applied sciences for industrial electricity that is earned after the program. The field is wide open to other things that they want to explore, whether it be networking, low voltage fire alarm, or high voltage electricity.
So it's a lot of theory and practice first through the textbooks that they give us. We get hands-on experience through all the components listed in the textbooks. That's even more. How to properly wire them, and we see real-time how each component works and how we can manipulate and how to really tune it down.
Virtually every home and business depend on some form of heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration equipment, making a career in HVAC one you can count on. In our HVAC-R program, students gain skills and real-world training needed to install, repair, and maintain HVAC systems in both commercial and residential settings.
Our students can earn a certificate in applied science, which is a 10-course certificate entitled Air Conditioning Refrigeration Technician. They can also earn a 3-course certificate, and both certificate allows them to learn theory as well as practical hands-on application, studying how to install, repair, and maintain air conditioning systems. Students may also go on to earn an associate degree by studying in the program called General Technology, where they have a major and a minor study that goes towards their associate degree.
The program and instructors here are very good at giving you a foundation and then building on that with hands-on labs. A lot of theoretical knowledge, learning how things work and why they work and what could go wrong with them. And that goes hand in hand with the hands-on labs that they give us here. So we're able to take that information that we learn in the classroom and apply it to the equipment that we have out here and have a safe environment in order to carry out the labs.
One of the things that is very unique about what we do here at Greenville Tech is the opportunities that we provide to students. Allow us to put in special programs like apprenticeship programs and try to create pathways for those students to actually get a jump start in their careers. So companies have an opportunity to come in to interact with our students, to build up a relationship with our instructors, and put in apprenticeship programs that allow students to get hired on in a part-time status before they graduate or complete the program.
Discover your passion. Unlock your potential. Enroll today at the Greenville Technical College School of Advanced Manufacturing and Transportation Technology.